So guys, that's how the Jeep looks like on 3.5-inch lift with 35 tires. And today we will be installing new tires, 37s. I'm going a little bit bigger. I think 37s will look better on my Jeep, better than 35s. I'm super excited. Good morning YouTube, Vasil here from Very Cool Jeep, and today we're going to review my tires that I had almost for 3 years, the Toyo RTs. So I had this Jeep since 2019. I purchased this Jeep from the factory with the Toyo RTs. Those are the tires. I had them for almost 43,000 miles, guys. And as you see, there's a lot of tread left, to be honest. Like I can really like drive another probably 8 to 10,000 miles on them if I wanted, but I just want something new, and I got sick of those tires for 3 years, and we will replace those tires today. Those are 35s, 12.5 R17s. Did bunch of trails here in Arizona. Then this summer I went to Colorado and all the way to Wyoming. So we did Engineer Pass, we did Imogen Pass, we did Ophir Pass, and those tires were phenomenal. Those tires are really good. I have nothing to complain about them, but as you see, there are chips here and here and like all over the place, but those chips are not because the tire is bad and it's just chipping, but this is due the weight that I have on the top of my Jeep. Since I put my rooftop tent on and I have all the gear inside and everything, and it's fully loaded, even though I deflate my tires like 17-15 psi for off-road, the weight of the vehicle, you know, like affects a lot, and I start noticing like a tread chip like this one. You see there's a big chunk missing from here. I would have gotten another set of those tires, but it's really hard to get them right now, and the first available the first available tire on the market was Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT, which is like a new tire for Mickey Thompsons. So my mechanic, he talked into me those tires and he told me like you should probably go and check them out. So I went with the Mickey Thompsons, and they are 37-inch tires. So I always wanted to go with the bigger tires since my lift is bloody big, and those 35s, they look super funny, you know, on 3.5-inch lift. The Jeep is going inside for 37s, guys. Okay lads, I just got my Jeep back from the bulletproof off-road and it looks amazing. I'm so happy with those tires. They're head and shoulders above the Toyo RTs. The quality and the softness of the tire just makes everything so much better. The ride has improved tremendously. I love the ride compared to the Toyo. It's so comfortable. It's just amazing tire.